Hello, my name is Raquel Elena Quinto. I am 48 years old. I like reading and go for walk. I assertive public accountant. I have three children and I live in Medellin. I am go of Baytown to Cartagena in June. I live in the city for 4 days and 3 nights. I visit Sage in Boca Grande, and I by all enjoying the different beaches near the city. I am be wearing we wear to be comfortable in the city. I have 6 million pesos available for this trip, and I'm traveling with my children. Thank you very much.